And now we can discuss about the air changes requirement in pharmaceutical uh, industry or facilities. So first of all, we define what is an air changes. uh, you know that air changes is the rate of measure of how quickly the air is and interior space is replaced by an outside air. So in air conditioning, air changes is that you know that we can supply fresh air, and we can also exhaust the air that is placed. So air changes is basically that how quickly we can remove all outside air and replace that air with the fresh air. So this is an air changes. So we can measure air changes, ACH, air changes per hour. So how much how much time we can change completely, we can replace complete interior space air with then outside air in 60 minutes is known as air changes per hour we can measure. So here we see we have different classes, like class 100, which follow the rule of ISO 5. According to this rule, 240 to 480 air changes are required in 1 hour. Similarly, in class 1000, 152 to 40 air changes are required in 1 hour. Similarly, in class 10,000, 60 to 90 air changes are required per hour. And in class 1 lakh, or you can say 100,000 class, 5 to 48 air changes are required in per 1 hour. So these are air changes, and these air changes also affect on load calculation. These air changes, we can measure air changes. First of all, we can measure the volume of a space and then divide that complete space with 60. So this is an air change per hour.